Hello, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Matina. This screencast will show you how to share your tour with your teacher in Google Classroom. So there are a few things that you have to do in Tour Builder first. The first thing that you need to do is make sure that you're in the right tour that you want to share with your teacher. Once you click on the tour to open it, you will notice up here at the top right corner a blue share button. Simply click on the blue share button. Click on Change. Click on anyone who has the link. Then click Save. Then up here at the top, I want you to click on the link and copy that link by doing a Control-C on your keyboard. Click Done. Now you have the link to your tour copied to the clipboard on your device. The next thing that you need to do is go into Google Classroom. Go into your social studies class and find the assignment that your teacher posted. Here is the one that I'm going to use as an example for my test student, Pebbles. I'm going to click on the classwork page and find the Tour Builder assignment. I'm going to click View Assignment, and I'm going to add either a private comment or a class comment to this assignment. So for this example, I'm going to click Private Comment, and I'm going to do a keyboard shortcut of paste, which is Control V, to paste the link of the tour into the private comment. I click Post. I can either enter the link into the private comment or I can add it in as a class comment. I would check with your teacher to make sure what your teacher wants you to do. If I wanted to paste the class comment, the link into the class comment, I simply do a Control V and I click Post. Then I need to mark this assignment as done. And that's it. Now your teacher can access your tour via the link in Google Classroom.